Bay window installation in Salt Lake City is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of bay windows, Salt Lake City styles available, residents can choose from custom bay windows, energy-efficient bay windows, and more to suit their specific needs. Bay window contractors in Salt Lake City offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Custom bay windows in Utah provide a unique touch to any home, allowing for personalized design and dimensions. Homeowners can select from a range of bay window materials, including vinyl bay windows and wood bay windows, to match their home's existing decor. Bay window customization in Salt Lake is a growing trend, offering endless possibilities for design and functionality. Energy-efficient bay windows in Salt Lake are an excellent choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable home environment. These windows are designed to minimize heat loss and maximize natural light, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Bay window experts in Salt Lake City can guide you through the selection process to find the best energy-efficient options for your home. Bay window replacement in Salt Lake City is a service offered by many bay window professionals in Utah. Whether you're looking to upgrade your existing windows or replace damaged ones, bay window replacement services can provide the perfect solution. Affordable bay windows. Salt Lake City ensure that you can achieve the look you want without breaking the bank. Bay window replacement in Utah is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular bay window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and ensure that your windows remain in top condition. Bay window specialists in Salt Lake offer comprehensive replacement and maintenance services to keep your windows looking and functioning their best. Vinyl bay windows in Salt Lake City are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows offer a sleek, modern look while providing excellent insulation and energy efficiency. Bay window contractors in Salt Lake City can help you choose the right vinyl bay windows for your home. Wood bay windows. Salt Lake City, Utah offer a classic, timeless appeal that many homeowners love. These windows can be customized to fit any style and provide excellent insulation properties. Bay window design in Utah often incorporates wood bay windows for their natural beauty and versatility. Bay window solutions in Utah are available for homeowners looking to enhance their living space. From bay window upgrades to bay window enhancements, there are numerous options to choose from. Bay window options in Salt Lake City include a variety of styles, materials, and features to suit any home. Bay window dimensions in Utah can be customized to fit any space, providing a perfect fit for your home. Whether you're looking for a large, dramatic bay window or a smaller, more subtle design, bay window professionals in Utah can help you achieve your vision. Bay window trends in Salt Lake City continue to evolve, offering new and exciting possibilities for homeowners. Bay window features in Utah include a range of benefits, such as increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced curb appeal. Bay window benefits in Salt Lake City make them a popular choice for homeowners looking to improve their home.